Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the summarizer from the plugin Google Custom Documents AI. So everything takes place first on the Google Cloud Console. So I invite you to go on this page and to follow me in this step-by-step tutorial. So if you don't already have a project, you can create a new project by clicking here on the top, New Project. I already have one which is called Document AI that I'm going to use for this tutorial. So I'm first going to go under the Document AI tab here, under Processor, and I'm going to create a custom processor. So here under Summarizer, you can create a new processor. I'm going to name it Summarizer Custom, which is going to be located in the US. Okay, sorry, real one. Okay, so here the processor has been created. There are some processors that are already that you can already use that have been created by Google. So if you want to use those one, you can just view the details here. You can see that there is one version that is set as default here. So you can view the details and use them on your Bubble app directly. If you want to train one by yourself, depending on your needs, you can just go under Customize and Build. Here, under Summarization settings, you can choose either at the same time the length and the formatting. So the length is actually how tall you want your summary to be. You have three choices, four. If you choose auto, Google will choose it. You can choose brief, moderate, and comprehensive. And on the format side, you can choose either paragraph or bulleted, or let Google choose by selecting auto. Here we are going to create a brief and bulleted summary. And I'm going to create on a new version at the very bottom of my page. Okay, there's a small bug here, so bulleted. Okay, so let's call it so that it's easy to find, just brief bulleted. Okay, brief bulleted. Seems that Google have some problem here. Okay. Okay. So the version is being created right now. I'm just going to see. Okay, so the training is, it's in training, so I'm just going to pause the video and take you back whenever it's ready. So our custom version is now deployed. The last step we have to execute here is to set it as default. So I'm going to set it as default. I'm going to copy the ID and paste it. Okay, so now we are all set on the Google Cloud Console side. We're going to go on Bubble. So under Summarizer here, you can see that you have a Summarize button. So you can go check on the editor side how it is implemented. So here on Summarize, you have to, first you have to install two plugins that are free. The first one is the Get Meme Type to be able to retrieve the type of file that you are going to send to Google, because they are going to, the processor will need it. And you will also need to install the plugin File2 Base64, because the file you're going to send has to be encoded, so in Base64. So the last step is actually processing, sending the, oh, sorry, I'm on the wrong one. It's the same. Okay, so no, it's just, so processing summary. So here it is. So you have a few things to give here. The location of the processor. So you can go here, view details. Sorry, overview. So the region is the US. The project ID that you find on your main page here. The processor ID, if you go back to Document AI, processor gallery. Yeah, sorry, it has to be under the region. So here we have the summarizer custom one. So the processor ID is this one. I'm going to paste it here. I'm just gonna add false here so you can have a look at the documentation for the human review. So the meme type, you can get it from this element, the output, and the image content, same here. So you have base64. Here it is. So now you're all set. You can send requests. So you can send some files to be processed to Google and retrieve the information once it is processed. So I hope this tutorial was useful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to send me a message on the chat that you can see here with Crisp. And if you have any question, yeah, do not hesitate to contact me. Thank you very much. Have a good day.